much that was still alive in that tree, even though it was a huge, beautiful apple tree. You can see the stump, so little. Most of it had been rotten, and we knew that. But we'd not been able to bring ourselves to taking it down.
Get uprooted? Did I plant it yet?
That is the best it's ever looked, too. You're right. Look, I guess.
Oh. Yeah. Wow.
I cannot believe that held that as long as it did, George.